What's going on, guys? Jordan here. Welcome to this training, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a blog page in a single blog page. And the program that we're going to use it is Elementor Pro. There is two versions. There is the free and the pro. The pro version is the one that we're going to use because it's the one that's going to allow you to design the blog however we want. So it really makes your life easier. If you don't have it, there's going to be a link below if you want to go for it. So you're gonna be creating something like this. As you can see, this is one of my websites that I use in one of my last tutorials on how to create a website, and we're gonna be creating the blog page and the single blog page for this website. So as you can see, it's really simple and easy to do. So without further ado, guys, let's dive into today's tutorial. Okay, right now I am inside the WordPress dashboard, and we're gonna see the website that we have here that we're gonna use as an example. So this is the website, RX Fitness, and as you can see, it's a single website, a one-page design. So you can see here the menu, right? If you click about, it's gonna jump to the section of the about section. These are jump buttons. So if we're gonna go to news, where basically this is where it's supposed to be the blogs, the blog posts, we go to news and it jumps to the latest news, which these are the blog posts. But in this case, we want to replace this jump button. We want to create an entire new page where we're gonna be able to see our blog posts. So in order to do this, we're gonna go to the WordPress dashboard, and we're gonna go to pages, and we're going to add a new page. So we're just gonna name this page blog, right? Simple. It's gonna be blog, and we're just gonna go publish and publish this page. Okay, we're gonna go back to the WordPress dashboard, and in pages you can see that we have blog. Now we have to tell WordPress, hey WordPress, I want you that you assign this page as the blog, as I want you to store all the blog posts inside this page, this new page. So we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna go to reading, and in here your home page displays. You can see that in home page we have home page, and in post page we have to select the new page that we just created, that is blog. Really simple, and we wanna click on save changes. Okay, now we're gonna change the menu. We're gonna go to appearance, you're gonna go to menu. So as you can see here, this is the same menu we have in the website, that is this one. Okay, so we just need to change this one, news. As you can see, it's a custom link. So we're gonna erase this one, we're gonna remove, and here we have pages, we have posts, we have custom links that are these ones, the jump buttons, categories, and all this. But we want to use pages. We're going to go to pages, we want to view all, and we want to choose blog, and we want to add it to the menu. So we want to put this here, and we want to save menu. Now if we go to the website, we want to refresh this page, and as you can see, it has changed. So if we click here in blog, we're gonna go to the blog post that we have. So this is just the basic design of the Ocean WP theme that I have installed in this website. So if we click burn fat in 30 days, you wanna go to the design for this single post. Okay, pretty simple. It works. It doesn't look bad. But of course, I know that there's people that they want to have something more beautiful, that have a better design. So this is just the basic, the standard design that we get with the Ocean WP theme. So in order to change this, we need to get Elementor Pro, the Pro version, and we want to be able to design different styles in the blog and in the single blog post. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go to templates, and we're gonna click on theme builder. Remember, you need to have Elementor Pro in order to do this. So we're gonna go to archive, and we're gonna create a new archive, and we're gonna name this template just blog page, create template. So as you can see here, we have different pre-made blogs of styles of archive we can choose from. So you can play around here, and this really honestly makes your life easier because you already have this pre-made design that you can just insert and you're ready to go. You have to change the colors, the text, whatever. Okay, so look at this one. So you want to preview this one, just click on it and you can see how it looks, right? It looks good. I really like the design of this one, but let's try something more simple. I really like this one as well, so we're gonna click on it, on this, and as you can see, it's a really nice simple design. So we're gonna choose this one, we're gonna insert it, and here we have it. Okay, these are our blog posts. We have 3 blogs here, and we have this section. If we want people to contact us, we can change the design here, but this is basically the template. So, and you can change all these guys. For instance, let's select this entire section, click on the 6 dots, and let's go to style. We're gonna go to background, classic. We're gonna choose an image, and let's choose this one. Okay, and position, center, and size, we're gonna choose cover. Okay, there we have it. Now if we wanna hide background, we're gonna go to background overlay, and we're gonna erase this because we have an image here that it comes with the template. I don't want that, so we're gonna erase it, and there you have it. Okay, the same here, you can just erase this title if you don't want. I just want to name this as blog, so we're gonna select this title, this heading, just click here and you can change the title here. Okay, let's put just blog, simple as that. So go to style, underneath style you go to title, the text color, you can change the color however you want. Let's leave it in white. Okay, typography, you can change the typography. I'm gonna use Montserrat, that's the one I'm using here, but you can choose a lot of other ones. This is actually Google font, so you have a lot of options here. And let's change the size. Let's make this a little bit bigger, like in 70, and we're gonna change it to bold. Yeah, I think it looks good. So yeah, we have that one here, and basically that's it. That's how simple it is to change these letters. Okay, as you can see here, we have this border in the bottom. We're gonna change that. We're gonna select the entire section. We're gonna go to, let's see, shape divider, and we're gonna click on bottom. You can see we have the style of waves, so we can change these of different styles, drops. We have zigzags, and you can change the width here, the height, all these you can do here, guys. Yeah, but I don't want to use any of this. I'm just gonna select none, and yeah, I like this one. And as you can see here, we have a pop-up. So right now I won't show you how to create a pop-up, so we won't use this right now. So I'm just gonna erase this, delete, and there we have it. Okay, so if we select this section, okay, we wanna select here in this pen icon, you can see that we select the archive post. Okay, this is basically the post grid that we wanna show our blog post. In this case, I just have 3 blog posts, and as you can see here, the layout, we have cards. We can change this to full content. We have classic, that is this style, but I normally like just the card one, so I really like it. We have columns 1, 2, 3. If we want to add 4, we can do it. or 5, whatever you want. I just think that 3 is okay. We have show image, so if we don't want to show the image, we just select no. But in this case, of course, we wanted to show masonry. As you can see, it changed the size here, so I just gonna put off here. Image size full, image radio, that's okay, leave it like that. You can change, you can play around here, guys. I just gonna show you the basic things, because let me tell you that there are many things you can do in Elementor Pro. But to be honest, I highly encourage you to go try it yourself, play with the interface and understand it, because honestly I can show you everything here, but at the end you will have to try yourself. It's the best way that you can learn how to use Elementor Pro, but it's a no-brainer how to use it. Okay, super simple. You won't have problem with that. Okay, so we have title. If you don't want to show the title, just hide it, but of course we want to show the title. And different other things, like for instance, let's say metadata. So it's this one. We have the author, that is tutorials, the date, that is this one. We can add maybe time, we can add comments, you can add all that here. Okay, but I'm just gonna leave it like that, in just the dates and the author. Okay, that's up to you if you want to use it. And read more, if you want to click on read more, you can do that there. The batch, that is this one, uncategorized. Honestly, I don't want to categorize right now my blogs. I haven't done that, so I'm just gonna hide it. Okay, the batch, I'm just gonna hide it. The avatar is basically your face of the person that wrote that blog post. Okay, so you can choose the avatar. I'm just gonna hide it. Okay, you have all these options here. Yeah, basically those are the main ones. Those are the main ones that you can choose, and you can start designing your blogs. Okay, layouts, just leave it like that. Let's see, cards, it's okay. Let's say the content. Okay, the content, I just want to change the colors, so let's change this. Okay, let's change the color. It's okay, it looks better like that. It's the same color as this one. And we have this section here. Okay, so I don't gonna use this right now. If you want to use it, you can start designing this as I show you. It's the same process, guys. I just try to do this as simple as possible, because trust me, with Elementor Pro you can design the blog however you want. It's amazing, this tool. But I just want to do something really simple for you. I don't want to overwhelm you with so many things right now, so I just gonna leave it like that, pretty simple. And there we have it. Okay, maybe we're gonna change this because there's too much white space. So let's make this a little bit smaller. So we're gonna select the section. We're gonna go to advanced, and the bottom, let's see how it looks. Okay, that is too short. Okay, 100. Yeah, we have it there. It looks better like that. So once you do that, you just go to publish. Okay, you're gonna add a condition, and you're gonna leave it in all archive, just like that. Okay, just save and close. And yeah, there we have it. So if we go back to this section, remember that, okay, this is a single blog post. We're gonna go to blog, and as you can see, it changed. Okay, before it was different. We have the style here different. Now we have this one. Okay, it looks so much better like this. So now I'm gonna show you how to create a blog post. It's really simple. So we're gonna go back to, okay, we're gonna erase this. We won't use this anymore. So we're gonna go back to WordPress. and we're gonna go to, instead of going to pages, we're gonna go to posts. Okay, this is where we're gonna create the blog post. So I'm gonna do something real simple. Let's create add new. So I already have something in mind. We're gonna put a title. So let's do something like this. Okay, the title, and we're gonna put some dummy text. Okay, there you go. You can add an image here if you want. Just click the plus icon and you can choose an image, YouTube video if you want. There are many things you can choose from. Here you can see that you have different like widgets, like inside, like the same like in Elementor. So you can have different widgets here that you can choose from and start designing your blog post however you want. Patterns, pre-made template, something like this. So let's add an image block, and you can upload the image from wherever you have it, or you just can choose from the media library. Okay, I already have one in mind. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, you have an image and you can keep writing more if you want. Okay, you can design your blog post however you want. Now we're gonna add, we're gonna go to document and we're gonna go to the feature image. So we're gonna select the same picture and set feature image. So yeah, simple as that. You create a blog post and just click on publish. And let's view post. And here we have it. This is how you simply create a blog post. You can see here. This is the same, like this one is the feature image and this is the one that we have inside the blog post. And we have the other blogs here. And let's see here in the blog, in the archive that we just created before. So here we have our new blog post. Build power in your glutes with these workouts. Okay. Now we're gonna change the design of the single blog post. Okay, we're gonna change this design now. So before doing that, I also want to show you real quick how you can categorize your blog post. So when I go to blog, you're gonna see that in blog post we have all posts, add new, and categories. When I click on categories, and let's say that we want to create a category of workouts, we're gonna add new category and maybe something like healthy food, something like that. A new category. So you can create different categories. Now what you can do is you can go to the post, you can do a bulk selection and you can choose edit and apply. Then basically here you just can choose the categories that you want to assign to each of the blog posts. So let's say that we want to categorize all of them, and let's choose this one, just the new one. Okay, build power in your glutes with these workouts. Categories, workouts, and update. So we can see now the new blog post that we just created is categorized in workouts. Okay, simple as that. You categorize your blogs. Now let's change the design of the single blog post. In order to do that, we gotta go over let's see, Elementor templates. We're gonna go to the theme builder, and in the theme builder we're gonna choose single post and just a new single post, and let's say this as post. Okay, single post design. Create template and the same. Here you have different templates you can use with the Elementor Pro version, and you can choose whatever you want here. okay, the one that you like the most, but I just gonna go with the same design as the archive. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna insert that. So as you can see, it looks kind of weird right now, so we're gonna change that. So we're gonna go to settings here in this icon, and we're gonna go to page layout and choose Elementor full width. Okay, that's better. Now I don't want to add this image here, so I just gonna click this and I just gonna delete. Okay, and also gonna delete this space, delete, and I just want to put the feature image here in this background. Okay, so I just gonna click in this dot, select this section, I'm gonna go to style, I'm gonna go to background, classic, image. I won't choose a background, I won't choose an image, I'm just gonna go here in dynamic tags and I'm gonna go to post and select featured image. Now position, center, and the size is gonna be cover, and background overlay. I'm just gonna erase this image. There we have it. Let's put more overlay here, like a darker overlay. Let's choose the color. Let's choose black. And opacity, as you can see, I can make this darker. I'm just gonna leave it in 0.7. Okay, and let's change the same here, the shape divider. When I go to style, shape divider, bottom, none, and there we go. You can also put some other different things, like for instance fixed, so it's gonna have that effect if you want, you can see, but I'm just gonna leave it like in default. And yeah, basically that's it. Here we have the name of the post, we have this different, if we select this, we have the information of the post. We can add the dates, the time, the comments. Okay, you can put all that there if you want. In this case, I just gonna leave it like that. And again, here this icon, I won't use it, I just gonna delete this, and you have these different social icons. Okay, you can put share this post. We're gonna change the color, okay, text color, and in order for you to not to be all the time putting the code, you can just save the color. Okay, just gonna put the color again, the color code, and I'm just gonna click the icon, new global color, create, and there we go, there we have it. Okay, now I want to use it here. I was gonna click these icons, the edit share buttons icons, widget, sorry, and we have the Facebook, the LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever you want to use. And we're gonna go to style, we're gonna go to the hover color, because you see it's this color. So this time, as we have saved the color, we just gonna go to custom, we're gonna scroll down, and we have this new global color, and now we just have our branding color here. Okay, and the same with the share buttons, you can put change the columns gap, okay, row gap, the bottom size, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, the icon size, and the bottom high. Okay, here you can play around with all this. Now if you want to change this color as well, you can just go to normal, primary color, secondary color, sorry. You can change this however you want. Okay, but just let's leave it in like that. Yeah, and yeah, basically that's it with this section. And here is your text. If you want to erase this, you can change the subscription form. It's just the same, guys. The style, go to style, go to background overlay. We have this style. If you want to erase it, just choose there. Background, you can choose a color, red, or main color. That there you go. Then you can start editing all this just as I showed you before. But in this case, I won't use this. Okay, I'm just gonna erase it, and you can have the previews, and here you have your other blocks. So let's fix this real quick. Click here. We're gonna go to label. Everything here is okay. If you want to change the name, you can do it. The arrow, it can be different here, you can see, but I just think it's okay like that. So I'm just gonna change the style. The color is gonna change it to our branding color, and the arrow the same. Okay, that's it. And here, more to explore or read more, you can change that too. Read more. And I'm gonna go to style, color, and here the post grids, the cards, you can put 3 columns and you can show 3 posts. You can see that, but I'm just gonna leave it like it was before. Let's see what I can do here. Title, okay, the third batch, when you erase that. Yeah, okay, gonna go to style now. I'm gonna change this color. Gonna go to content and title, and yeah. So this one I don't gonna use it, so I just gonna delete this, and there we have it, guys. This is how simple it is to design. Okay, when I fix this here, just gonna go real quick. I'm gonna select this section. I'm gonna go to advanced, and in the bottom, let's select 100. And yeah, looks better. So this is the design of the blog post. As you can see, this is how simple you can design the single blog post. And you can see how it looks in mobile, 100% mobile responsive, as you can see. The tablet, there we have it. Okay, now just publish, add condition, and all singular, save and close. And now let's see a preview. You can see here in this icon in the bottom, you have the eye. So you just click in the eye and go to preview. And here we have our blog post, okay? It's different now. It's looking good. And let's see now the blog. You wanna see that is applied in all the blog posts. Let's say that we wanna click on this one, gain muscle in 2 months. And here you have it, okay? It's gonna be applied in all the blog posts, and as you can see, our blog is looking good. Well, basically that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to create a blog page. As you can see, Elementor Pro allows you to design basically anything that you want with the pre-made templates. It already makes your life easier, and yeah, you can. I highly encourage you to go and try it yourself, play around with the interface, and I'm pretty sure you will find it helpful and easy to use once you play around with it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.